Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover how to unsubscribe your WPS subscription, or even if I talk about any other app. So here what I have done is I have just signed in on my WPS account from that account which I used to purchase any plan of WPS. Okay, so you can see it right here, and I'm using my phone actually, so I have some issue with my laptop internet connectivity. So I have put it on desktop mode. You can see it, and it will look like the way you are using your browser on Windows. Okay, so okay, you can see it right here. You can see my profile photo here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go downside. Okay, in your WPS website you need to go downside. Here you can see this support option. Click on support, help center. Okay, in help center you can click on, there would be these kind of options. You can see this, you need to click on payment issue. After payment issue you can see different kind of thing. First is you can see this, what is WPS office refund policy, or how to change or delete the subscription information, or how to view my subscription information. Like there are various things. So if you want to unsubscribe, so you can see first thing is in these questions you can see third question, how to cancel and restart a subscription. Okay, so as I am focusing on how to unsubscribe it, so last question you can see how to unsubscribe. Just click there and they will be sharing one website. Okay, here you can see this www.wps.com/subscription. okay, you need to go there, and from there it will come inside my subscription, and downside you can see what one, you can see this too. Okay, so you once you'll go there, so you can see this say cancel subscription offer option, or auto, it would be like auto cancellation or auto renewal, something like this. So you need to click on it and proceed with it. So you can read it here. You can sign into your WPS account here and click the auto renewal button to terminate the subscription, and whenever you need it again, so you can again go back, like go to your WPS and you can pay for it, and then you are good to go. Okay, so just let me know if you find any further difficulty, and if you have subscribed it, please unsubscribe it as soon as possible. So just to make sure that you need not to deduct, like no app is going to deduct any amount from your account without your permission. Okay, so yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to comment any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.